in here. I want to share with you how to get into a very safe plank. This is such a foundational pose that helps us to build the strength from inside out. What I see is that many people don't have these tips. You are lucky one, you will today, and you're going to get the steps, the necessary steps to build your strength from inside out. Let's do this. Come into tabletop. Your spine is neutral. Looking forward to elongate your neck. From here, press your inner thighs in to activate your quads. Tuck your tailbone as if you were in cat pose. Come in forward, move your shoulders forward, aligning with the fingertips. Then engaging your core, round up your back, even more on a cat pose. Now, tuck your toes under to come into your plank. From here, you are in a very strong position. Looking forward, keep it pressing your inner thighs in, squeeze your glutes. Squeeze your belly button in, round up your back even more, and we hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, one more breath in, and drop your knees down. Shake it out.